Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Aethir ATH coin. Now, to get this coin, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Once there, search for Aethir and you'd find its price. So once you've taken note of the price, simply scroll through and copy its Ethereum contract address. Scroll a bit further till you get to the markets area, and at the market area, you'd find the exchanges it's being traded on. For decentralized exchanges, we have Uniswap, and for centralized, we have Bybit. So now all you need to do to get this token on either a centralized exchange or a decentralized is minimize and open up your centralized exchange. So we're going to be working with the centralized exchange first. Once you've opened it up, make sure you have an account. If you do not, use our link in the description of the video to simply register and verify your account and stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify. So guys, you're verified, you're on Bybit. How can you get yourself some of the ATH coin or the Aethir coin? Click on the deposit option and simply use any of the options to get yourself some crypto on your wallet. That's the centralized exchange's wallet. You could deposit crypto directly to your wallet address from either another wallet or another exchange. You could use your credit card to buy cryptocurrency using your fiat currency, or you could use the P2P, which is basically converting your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the market section and then simply search ATH. That's the Aethir coin. Click on ATH USDT. Click on market, select the trading type to market, as this would enable you buy it at the current price. Enter the amount you wish to buy and simply click on buy. And then once you've bought the cryptocurrency or you've bought the crypto, if you head to the assets menu, perform a reload, you'd find your coin in the unified trading section just here. So guys, that's how you can be done on a centralized exchange. Minimize and open up your MetaMask account. So once there, click on the network toggle at the top of the screen to move from the base network over to the Ethereum mainnet. So once you're on the Ethereum mainnet, perform a reload. And your next step would be to simply click on import tokens. We're importing our tokens, so when we get our Aethir coin, we'll be able to see it on our wallet. So click on custom token, paste the contract address for the Aethir coin, and simply click on next. The symbol is shown as a decimal, so click on next once more. Aethir coin or Aethir token, click on import, and boom, it's there. Now, if you're looking to buy the Aethir coin or Aethir token, you're going to need to have some Ethereum on your wallet. So click on the buy ETH and you're going to be shown a list of options on how to get your crypto. So it ranges from using your fiat currency, such as your Great British pounds, your euros, your US dollars, to convert that into cryptocurrency such as Ethereum via the P2P or a simple convert with your bank card. So that's how it works. The payment methods are Google Pay, debit card, bank transfer, and Keep Who. So once you've selected an option, all you need to do is simply enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to possess and then the equivalent in euros, and you get yourself some ETH. Now, to get the Aethir token, open up your browser. Once the browser is opened up, all right, so use the search icon at the bottom of the screen to simply search for app.uniswap.org. And once you're on here, simply use the wallet connect at the top right to connect your wallet. And once you've connected your wallet, all you need to do is quite simple. Where we have swapping from Ethereum, click on the select token option, paste the contract address for the Aethir token, select Aethir, click on I understand, and now simply use the amount of Ethereum you wish for Aethir. So if you have $100 worth of ETH, simply enter the equivalent to $100 worth of ETH on the platform and simply click on convert and pay a gas fee of $2. And then you get your ATH coin right here on your balance. So guys, that's how you can easily get yourself some Aethir. Do comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.